Our next delegate is Jennifer Khurram from St. Michael's High School, Karachi.
Starting by the name of Almighty, Creator of the all world. Good morning, everyone. I stand before you today with a heart full of great and hope. My name is Jennifer Khurram, and I am living with type 1 diabetes. I am honored to have the opportunity to speak at the International Child Health Conference here in Karachi, making World Health Day 2025, especially under the theme Healthy Beginnings, Hopeful Futures set by the World Health Organization. When I was first diagnosed with type 1 diabetes, I didn't know what to expect. I was just a child, and the news hit me like a storm. I faced a lot of challenges. It wasn't just me who was scared. My parents too were deeply worried, but they never showed it. They stayed strong for me, hiding their own fears because they wanted to protect me. That made it even harder. I felt alone in my struggle, unsure at what step to take next. I slowly accepted my diabetes. I learned to take my medication on time even when it was difficult. The road wasn't easy. To looking back, I realized that my journey was not just about managing diabetes, it was about learning to accept it. I was stopped, seen, it was something that defined me. It was just another part of my life, like any other sickness. Some days are harder than others, but I have learned to live with it day by day. Now, as I speak, I wanted to tell you that you are not alone. It may feel like burden at times, but it is just a sickness like any other sickness. We all face challenges in life. How we respond to them that matters. Accept your fate. Live one day at a time and always remember that you have the power to control how you face the world. Despite the obstacles, there is hope and there is always a way forward. Together, we can find strength in our struggles and continue to build a bright future. Thank you.